Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about sums and difference of rational algebraic expressions. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 1. So perform the indicated operation and simplify the result. And number 1, 2 divided by 3y plus 1 divided by 3y. So, the same yung kanilang denominator. Okay? So, i-rewrite lang natin ha. 2 over 3y plus 1 over 3y. Okay, so, ang gagawin natin dito kapag the same ang kanilang denominator, ang gagawin natin ay kopyahin natin yung common denominator nila or yung LCD. Yung LCD natin dito ay 3y. Okay? Tapos yung numerator, i-add na lang natin yan. Okay? So 2 plus 1. So that is equal to, i-add natin yung numerator, that is 3 over 3y. Okay? Then equals, cancel natin yung 3. Okay, so ang naiwan sa numerator, 1 na lang yan. So, kapag wala tayong makitang number or variable, okay, so lagay mo dyan 1 over y. So, this is your final answer sa number 1. Okay, next, number 2, 5 over x minus 2 minus 3 over x minus 2. Okay, i-rewrite lang natin ha. 5 over x minus 2 minus 3 over x minus 2. Okay, the same pa rin yung kanilang denominator. So, kapag the same, ang gagawin natin, kopyahin natin yung common denominator na x minus 2. Kasi pareho sila eh. Then, yung numerator naman ay i-subtract natin. Okay, so 5 minus 3. So, therefore, that is equal to 2 over x minus 2. X minus 2. Okay, so ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.